Alright, gonna do a walk around out here. I wish the sun was out so you could see this paint in the sun. Absolutely gorgeous. But even here right now it looks good. Look how pretty that bed is. Alright, we're going for a quick test drive here. Now I think the oil pressure gauge does not work because we just got in the truck. It's very cold outside. It hasn't had time to warm up and it's still showing at high and it hasn't moved one bit. Going on a drive. Power steering is really nice. This truck is super smooth, very weightless when you're turning. Typical creaks I'm hearing on the dash, little things like that, but so far it's shifting nice. Can hit the brakes kind of hard. Brakes feel pretty good. She fired right up this morning. Yeah, shifts really nice. Yeah, that power steering is just so smooth. I mean, it takes zero effort. Yeah, if you hold that a little bit, some of that vibration goes away. I'm gonna hit the brakes kind of hard right now. Yeah, brakes are solid. They work really good. No complaints with the drivability. Alignment feels solid. The steering wheel, it's straight. Kind of see how it turns. There's not a ton of free play. There's always a little bit, but not much. Seats are very comfy. Really, like I said, nothing to complain about. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. And we're gonna do that panel by panel. Looking at that paint, ton of depth. Beautiful sparkle there. You can just see all of that in there. Looks amazing. Now you're going to have little dimples here and there, but for the most part it looks absolutely beautiful. Little dimples in the white. For the most part it looks really good. Look at that, you still got the sticker on that liner. Just look how pretty that is. I'm trying to get under here. Here on this wheel I do see a bend on the inner part there. That cover has a couple dents and gashes, so put a new cover on that and that'll look a lot better. Tread is perfect on these tires, lots of tread left. Two small cracks there, a couple tiny little scuffs. Like I said, little dimples here and there, but you got to get super close to see all those. You're going to see some of that's kind of flaking off on that trim. I have some spots in here. Typical wear. This color though looks so good. A couple small chips every once in a while. You can see the alignment on that door is off just a little bit down here. Looking at that wheel, some really light rash. Check that out. That is super cool. Try to get under here again. Just kind of check all that out. Really, really nice. From about 2 feet away, you're not going to see any of those flaws that we have seen so far. got one kind of small chip there, a couple light scuffs. Looking at that headlight, looks good. The chrome's looking nice. Very light little scuffs. Then actually right here we have a brand new piece that's going to get installed to fix that part right there. So you can see that. So that will be fixed. Still got the sticker in there. Some scuffs from getting in and out. Reflection looks amazing. Couple chips right here on the edge. You can see the alignment is off down here as well. You're going to have some texture there, if you can see that. The rest of that bed looks good. Overall, that wheel's clean. You have some chips in there. Upper section looks good. Chrome looks clean. It's a great looking bed here. Super cool. Okay, checking out the interior. Absolutely gorgeous. They did a killer job. Here's the sticker there, all painted around. Now we do have a large gash and chip right here. Looking at that panel, window rolls up and down perfect. All of that looks really nice. A couple scuffs and scratches there, a few little chips. You see this kind of panel's popping out just a little bit. These seats look amazing. Really nothing to complain about there. Looks really good. Got one chip right here, otherwise that thing looks really good. Upper side of the dash. Nice and clean. Really, really nice. Couple small stains there, otherwise that looks good. That's all clean. Beautiful interior. Here on this door panel, looking at the jambs. Window rolls up and down really easy. Super clean in there. That looks nice. That looks good. Check out the seats here. No complaints. They look amazing. Console looks good. I mean, all the detail. They did a great job. And this paint, like I said, just absolutely gorgeous. Carpet looks good. And this looks amazing. Alright, looking at the engine bay. I'm just going to scan through this. All of this looks amazing. Really, really nice. You can see all of this was color matched.